Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to talk about wrenches, sockets, and more. Let's talk about the wrenches that you may need to fix and assemble things in and around your home. There's two things to consider. One is that there are different sizes of nuts and bolts and things that you may need in your home. Now, the basic difference is between the standard, or what's called SAE measurement, which is mostly products that are made in the US, and then there's metric, which are most of the products that are made overseas. Now, if you're just going to buy a set of wrenches in one size, you may find that you need the other metric size. So it may make more sense to buy a kit that includes just about everything. Now, this can be super helpful when it comes to assembling furniture, fixing things in and around your home, and you want to make sure that you're using the right wrench for the job. Now, I have this kit in front of me by Craftsman that basically has everything you could ever need. It has wrenches in both standard and metric sizes. It also has sockets, both in standard and metric sizes, as well as Allen wrenches. Those too come in different measurement modes between metric and standard sizing. And it also comes in this great case with these slide out drawers. What I like about this mostly is that everything has its place. In the past, these kits everything flew all over the place. If you keep this organized, you'll be able to get projects done in and around your home, even working on the car if you wanted to, and then everything has a home so you won't lose it, and you'll have a kit like this for the rest of your life. Coming up next, our video on how to use a socket wrench.